Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady Joy? If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Ogbonga people, they say wahala be like bicycle. Hey. They say not the way Musa no go see for gates. I be this in a lie before. Now I know say Musa they read the cities. Forget, oh, this one not be even get again. This one are fighting for inside church, oh, inside church. Now, two women they fight inside church again. Hey, this woman catch her husband side chick for inside church, oh. Now he begin to fight the side chick for inside church. My darling people, they say not the way Musa no go see for gate. It don't reach like that. We be saying that to come they fight for inside church again. Now wow, this one shocked me like seriously. This one shocked my bone marrow. So that they all fight for inside church. They fight for on top of the altar for inside church. Now two women they fight. One at least is more. No, it's too much.
Inside church. Inside church. Abomination happening. Inside church. Fighting. Yeah.
Fighting inside church. Fighting inside church. Then they fight for inside church. They say not the way Musa no go see for gate. My darling people, this one shocked me. Inside church, now it person for the fight. Hey, now wow. So this girl now, because you can't catch your side chick or your husband's side chick for inside church, now you begin they fight the girl. Your husband, we're gonna go toast side chick. Uncle, what do you gonna tell him? Not be your husband go toast him. Now wow. My people. Inside church again. Abomination, oh, my darling people. This one are abomination. I never see this kind of one before. Fighting for inside church. Inside church. On top of altar where they for the serve God. Now these two women where be say shame not dead their eye. They begin a fight for inside church. Like seriously. Who does that? Who does that? Oh, my darling people. Oh. This one shocked me, Sha. It really shocked me. Like, I dey wonder. What's it gonna make person they fight for inside church? Inside church? That's very big sin now. What una come they listening to now for church? What see una they listening? The other day, the other woman they swear for a members for inside church say they know they give her money if you want to do something. Now, this one now begin a fight for inside church. Like seriously, my darling people, the matter it shocked me. This matter shocked me 10 times. Fighting inside church. I never see this kind of thing before because this one it shocked me like seriously because I never see where they're going to fight for inside church. Inside church. This one shocked me, oh. Hey. So, because this woman now catch her husband for inside church now, this husband side chick, she begin, don't come wait again, say, okay, maybe first see Richard, or if the door close, they will fight for outside. Since now fight, two of them now begin the fight now. And the side chick them, una not go fit do without person husband. You cannot do without somebody husband. You see the public disgrace now when you give yourself now. If money don't pass una will come to look for a person in the evening. Because una will get better man that time when you marry una not go agree. Una go to look for side. Una go to look for sugar daddy. They go. What is sugar that the one give una? Where be say una no want look for una own husband. As this woman can't give you public disgrace now for inside church now. Now you like. Now you like side chick inside church. Oh, this woman cash your husband side chick. Oh, now you begin to fight and for inside church. Oh, my dadly people. Hey. Now wow, the fighting was too much. Oh, this kind of video, not be video where they put for inside YouTube. Oh, if not, I just say more than yes more for the voice. This one shocked me, like seriously. Who does that fighting inside church? Inside church, now they for the fight. Una not gonna see where fight again. Where they for the serve God. My God will not forgive you people for this thing we una do. Una one fight now ask of God. Now come they fight. Una not fit go fight una fight for outside again. This one not fit get patience again. So, okay, if they don't close, they will come do one for outside. If una come like una remember una self una disgrace una self for outside una naked una do anything una like una can't know. But not before inside church is not good. I be my husband get people. You where they watch me now, this thing a good thing. Say somebody they fight for inside church. Is it really good? It's not good. It's not good at all. Very, very wrong thing. Now I do so. Very, very wrong. It's not good to the fight for inside church. It's not good at all. It did very bad of una. Very, very bad to the fight for inside church. Not be good thing. My darling people, not be good thing. People need to stop this thing. People need to stop it. You can fight your fight for outside. You can catch the woman, go do anything you want like for outside. But not before inside church. No. That is very bad. Well, you know, say any small thing on social media. Instead, when they for push and come for inside church, they begin to fit you now. You see the matter? And this video now, una children go see her for social media. Because any small thing now on social media, anything on social media, you understand? Everything on social media now. So when we take things easy, my darling people, you where your husband they cheat on you, if you catch the woman for outside, if you do anything, but not for inside church, very, very bad. Thank you, my Gbege people. Anything you want to think about this video, wanna leave on a comment for the comment section. Bye, everybody. Please share the video. Let the video go viral.